Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for round 5, the final round of the Brinks versus Master Lock championship match. Master Lock may have already won on the scorecards, but Brinks is still fighting for pride. This is the beef steak round, 60 millimeters. And as you would expect with locks this size, we have our largest cutting resistance, over 12,000 pounds, over 2,000 pounds of prying resistance from Master. Maximum. That's the most you can get. There's no more prying resistance. Master Lock also has 5 pins for maximum security. I guess they haven't heard of 6-pin locks. All right, Brinks, step up and show them something. I've never held a 60 millimeter before. This is freaking massive. Okay. All right, Brinks. About time you started to bring your A game. All right, big boy. All right. Master, you're a... Oh. Proper procedure, what am I doing? Trying to rake. This is extra awkward in the package. Maybe I'm doing myself a disservice. Well. Both of you boys are putting up quite the fight. I had to knuckle down and get serious here. I didn't want to have another round where I had to pick everything off camera. But that also meant that I didn't do any talking and this took a little time. So I decided to speed it up, do a little voiceover, at least partially through it, and end it with some nice royalty-free music. These were fun to pick because when you do get them open, there's a nice satisfying pop on that big shackle, but they're really awkward to hold. And trying to pick the master in the package was almost impossible. I really felt like this round was very close. Y'all can let me know in the comments who y'all think won, but honestly, it's kind of inconsequential because Master's already proven they're better than Brinks. But y'all enjoy the rest of this picking with some nice royalty-free AI-generated bullcrap music. That round was indeed a close one. Please let me know in the comments who y'all think won that last round, but the round is kind of inconsequential because the winner of Brinks versus Masterlock 5-round affair is Masterlock. Brinks, you freaking suck. Thank you for playing now. Dang, beefy mother.